Welcome to ICLS. Today we will discuss how cosmetology and trichology treatments, what we will be giving, help the patient. In what way will they help the patient? For example, if we are giving face glow treatment, then what difference will it make in patient's life? If we are treating anybody's pimple, then what difference is it going to make to patient's life? So on that, I would like you to talk and tell me how it is going to help your patient. First, tell your name and from which place you are coming, and then you can tell how cosmetology, trichology treatment is going to help the patient. Okay? Please.
Ms. Dr. Annie Herinch. I'm MBBS coming from Mumbai. Has been benefited to me and my patients. Today we see that in today's world how everybody is very look oriented. Everybody wants to look good, feel good. So in this aspect, I would like to say that cosmetology and trichology has been very helpful in this. Every second or third patient coming into my clinic, beside all the general ailments, also have cosmetological ailments. So by studying this, we have been very helpful in treating all the cosmetological skin disorders, and not only giving them the good looks, we are also been able to cure them from their inner self also. We've been able to give them a new self. We've been able to give them boost their morale and give them a confidence which is really helping them to enhance their professional as well as their personal life also. So I'm really helpful, and I extend my gratefulness to our sir, Dr. Anil Nirale, for teaching us the correct methodology and the correct approach, the scientific approach of treating the skin disorders. And this treatment has been really beneficial to me as a professional and also to my patients. So thank you everyone, and thank you, sir.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. Please, Doctor.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mansi Lad. So I'm from Mumbai, and due to this cosmetology treatments, it is like you don't give anything like supplements or something. You are treating them by doing your treatment. So it is very beneficial. In this era, like everyone is medicine oriented, we are giving something, the procedures, which is not giving any harm to our patients. So even they are happy while they are getting treated. So this is the most different thing which I have noticed in this type of treatments, and which is definitely helping our patients too. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mansi. Yes, Doctor.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sheetal Gupta Halankar. I'm BMS and general practitioner. I'm practicing at Mira Road. So why I choose cosmetology and trichology to enhance my general practice. आप फेसबुक पे बहुत फ़ोटोज़ देखते हैं, लुक डजेंट मैटर, सोल मैटर, और लुक्स मैटर नहीं करते, बट एक प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में जब आप कहीं भी जाते हैं तो आपके लुक्स बहुत मैटर करते हैं. इसीलिए लोग अपने अपीयरेंस को लेके इतने कॉन्शियस होते हैं. एंड इन जनरल प्रैक्टिस जहाँ पे कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो आपको अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आपके पास कुछ स्पेशलिटी होनी चाहिए, ताकि आप दूसरों से कुछ डिफरेंट ट्रीटमेंट, कुछ अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट अपने पेशेंट्स को दे सके. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई चूज़ कॉस्मेटोलॉजी. और ये इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा मेरे लिए, और क्योंकि यहाँ फर्स्ट डे से ही प्रैक्टिकल इतना अच्छा बताया जाता है, फर्स्ट डे से इतने केसेस मिलते हैं, तो आपको रियली बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है. और कॉस्मेटोलॉजी और ट्राइकोलॉजी मैंने इसीलिए चूज़ किया क्योंकि डे बाय डे प्रैक्टिस में बीइंग अ जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर फीमेल्स पेशेंट काफ़ी आते हैं, एंड फीमेल्स आर ऑलवेज कॉन्शियस अबाउट देयर लुक्स, देयर हेयर्स, देयर नेल्स, देयर अपीयरेंस. और बीइंग अ जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर एंड फीमेल जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर, व्हेन यू गेट लॉट्स ऑफ फीमेल पेशेंट्स, तो कॉस्मेटोलॉजी एंड ट्राइकोलॉजी में आपको अपना बेस्ट देने का बहुत चांस मिलता है. तो दिस इंस्टीट्यूट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. थैंक यू.
Thank you, doctor. So, friends, you have heard from our doctors how cosmetology is helping our patients. Okay. So now we'll be proceeding with our examination of patient. The critical findings what a cosmetologist must know apart from examination of patient by a general physician or a doctor is different. And when you look at the patient's face from cosmetological examination, that time it is entirely different. There is a difference of, you can say, sky is the difference. Okay, there is a lot of difference between examination of patient as a patient itself and as a cosmetology patient. Okay, so we will start with our examination of patient. What particular findings we must find out. Thank you.